This is Oobleck. Like that. Like all poured in. Oh, let me get that. The rest, I thought cornstarch looked just like, oops, like little bits of corn. Fun, fun, fun. So, a couple more drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Now time to mix. This is Oobleck. So, when you squeeze it, it acts like solid. When you stop squeezing it, it acts like liquid. So messy. You squeeze it, it's solid. The water gets trapped in the cornstarch when you squeeze it. It's so messy too. I never knew it was this messy with cornstarch. It was going a lot. Whoa!